Hello, everybody in our Grange EYFS Nursery and Reception. Welcome to the CC Assembly. And we know CC, that's C, vamos. It is confidence. We want the best for each of ourselves. We want to be our best and do our best. And we want consideration. We want to care about the world and care about everybody. And that's our philosophy for life. And today we're talking about teamwork. And teamwork means when everybody works together. Now, each of us is stronger at some things, weaker at other things, good at some things, not yet good at other things. And if we all work together like a team, as a team, then we make everything better for everybody. So that's teamwork. You know, at Grange we say, put your hands together, stronger together. And we say kindness is strength, stronger together. That's teamwork, which makes the dream work. Now we have a chance to do teamwork at Grange, because on the 11th of February, that's very soon, at 7 p.m. in Harrow, in London, around the world, any friends of Grange, we are going to make history at Grange. We're going to have our first free online quiz night. We're all going to be sitting at home on our sofas. All we need is a computer or a phone or a tablet or an iPhone, something, or an iPad, and we will all be doing a wonderful quiz together. Now, how do you sign up for that quiz? Well, this is teamwork. So this is how you get involved. It's letslocalize.co.uk. It's a website called letslocalize.co.uk. And all you do is you sign yourself up. And this is for, we need all the Grange adults. We need parents and carers to sign up the children. You sign yourself up with your email. And then you follow Grange Primary School. And then you pledge a minute. That means you join the quiz, which is free, but you just need your time. And look what happened when I was taking the screenshot. I saw that our very own wonderful Miss Chorney, who's the Greta Thunberg Grange teacher, she had signed up for this quiz. So, children, we need lots of people signing up for this quiz. Come on, everybody. Stars of the week, CC learners this week: Mohammed, Chinea, Kavish, Ashvi, Jasmine, Ryan, Alfie, Safia, Aliyah, Aftab, look at all these stars, and more, Lauren and Sophia, Haridan and David and Aishni, all of you stars. That was Sophia WF. Well done, everybody. So who were CC learners in the Grange House of Water? Yusuf, Grace, Zohaib, Jasmine, and the swivel this week goes to Mortada. And in the Grange House of Fire, Rida, Nadira, Kavish, Ashwin, Nasser, Sarah D, Timur, Chinea, flying in is Sophia Y, Elias A, Alidan, Lauren SH, and the swivel goes to Malak. And in the Grange House of Air, we had Ashvi, Sumaya, Ayat, Ali M, Isabella, David, Jasim, Safia, Krish, flying in is Idris, Manal, Shema, and the swivel goes to Elfie. And in the Grange House of Earth, Abdul Jabbar, Muaz, Ryan, Aftab, Aliyah, Sophia WF, flying in is Sophia D, Umika, Dario, and the swivel goes to Parative. And so who were the Mr. Kerbel's classy classes? Bob Marley, class 308 points. You've done amazing work. Orlada Equino, class, proud of you, 311 points. Amazing. And the swivel goes to the Greta Thunberg class with 414 points. So we have had Freddie visit us. We've had the reindeer visit us. Now we're going for jungle pot plants for our classy classes at the end of the half term. But all of you, be great, be Grange, be brilliant CC learners. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's do teamwork. So sign up for the quiz, everybody. We had 19 people when I looked last. We want to get to 100, maybe even beat the record, which is 124 people. So sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz, sign up for the quiz. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.